if the city wants you, it will not let you go. There will be many voices. They'll come and tell you कि भाई ये ऐसा नहीं है, इसमें ये work नहीं कर रहा. People will get bored if you have a longer introduction of the song. 15 सेकंड में कोरस आ जाना चाहिए, 20 सेकंड में ये आ जाना चाहिए. So I don't like to subscribe to any of those conventions where people say कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ये होगा. I always believe creation energy is better than waiting energy. जो बजा रहे हैं मेरे साथ पीछे, they are real musicians who I met on the sets of Bandish Bandits.
Oh, nice.
And I called them over one day. I said, यार ऐसा कुछ, just want to come and jam with me. Yeah, COVID actually kind of nudged me into acting direction a little more because guitar पड़ा हुआ था, देख रहा था मेरी और piano रखा हुआ था. They were just staring at me. They're like, भाई बजा ले. As an artist, we kind of tend to sometimes victimize ourselves कि अरे we don't have things in our control and we are waiting for this, we are waiting for that. ये हमको opportunity नहीं दे रहे क्योंकि हम यहाँ से नहीं हैं and all of that. I feel you just need a good bunch of friends in life and just make something and go and do it. I called a friend of mine and I said, "Yeah, is it possible to recreate this living room on stage? The setup that you see on stage is from my living room."
Okay.
And initially, it was out of मजबूरी कि budget नहीं था हमारे पास. But now it's kind of become a superstition. पर एक गुरु के आने से जो आपको मार्गदर्शन मिल जाता है लाइफ में, वो इतना जरूरी है. Because after Bandish, I actually now have 2 gurus for my singing also. This is the year of all the dreams coming true and manifestations.
So जो आपने journal में लिखा while you were journaling,
सब हो रहा वो.
जग सारा तेरे हुस्न पे है फिदा, तेरी सूरत च मैनूं सदा खुदा, तो करम दे मुरीद दा हो भला सोने. मैं जदों तेरी अखां विच खोया, मैं पल में रब्बा तेरा होया, मैं कोई दिसदा
So Paresh Pahuja and Friends actually has a lot of guest performers.
guests. So you do like to keep it. You do have guests always on board.
I mean, I love to because it's partially a selfish choice because it makes me feel very comfortable when they are around. Their energy is the best, and it just feels like this one big room full of energy and love, and we are just doing something out of love. मैं तो ऐसे भी randomly I was calling all my friends and I was like, आ जाओ चंडीगढ़ तुम लोग.
First of all, now that we've been chatting for so long,
I love magic button. Yay!
So we start with little magic. Welcome Paresh Pahuja to Chandigarh. It's lovely having you here. Is this your first concert in Chandigarh?
It is my first concert of the first tour of my life.
Okay.
इसके पहले के जो Voice Notes concert था, that was in Bombay, but that was just a friends and family show.
Okay.
This is the first public show of my life, and it's in Chandigarh.
तो हम honored है कि चंडीगढ़ से शुरुआत करी. And मतलब okay, very very straight question. आप चंडीगढ़ के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? कैसा लगा चंडीगढ़?
मुझे like we spoke yesterday also, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये शहर. अभी भी मैं रागिनी के साथ I was just driving from my hotel to here, and we were just talking about how well organized the city possibly can be, and it has a lot to do with the people of that city. ये मतलब बिना लोगों के support के, it can't be clean and it can't be, the energy just feels right.
पर कई बार जब बहुत प्लान्ड होती है सिटी तो ऐसा लगता है इंस्पिरेशनल नहीं होती.
नहीं वो भी है, वो एक ब्यूटीफुल एक बैलेंस है चंडीगढ़ में कि वो आर्ट को भी उतना ही प्रमोट कर रहे हैं जो जितना बाकी चीजों को.
तो सिंक्रोसिटी है.
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. एंड देयर इज ईज, मतलब वो नहीं है कि भागना है. देयर इज गुड अमाउंट ऑफ ईज कि लाइफ भी एंजॉय करनी है. कल मैंने पराठे खाए. क्या पराठे थे.
हाँ पराठे अगेन सर्दियों में पराठे खाना although the winters are going
yeah,
but it's a different feeling. So for everyone who doesn't know Paresh, but those who know, so Paresh is really short to fame with Mahi in Bandish
Yeah.
Bandits. उससे पहले you've done a huge body of work, and Paresh is also very famous as a singer for voice notes, right? And a singer जिसकी audience पे सारी women are swooning at him. मतलब all Instagram clicks I've seen, women are just, they have these very dreamy romantic eyes and romantic looks, and you're just singing right directly to them. कितनों के husbands और boyfriends ने आपको पकड़ा के corner किया है?
उनके husbands, boyfriends, भाई भी मेरे दोस्त ही हैं. They are all here today, and they are also a part of it. Yeah, Shiv is directing the show. His
Okay.
sister Ragini is performing with me, and it's a beautiful feeling. It's just like last 6 महीने life के इतने dreamy रहे हैं मेरे लिए
How
personally.
dreamy, like what
It's-
was so dreamy about it?
It's been like the timing of everything has been so divine कि वॉइस नोट्स के जो वीडियोस थे वो चल गए, उसके साथ साथ बंदिश बैंडिट्स रिलीज हो गया. सो दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफ म्यूजिक वर्सेस एक्टिंग, आपको क्या ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, दैट आल्सो काइंड ऑफ फाउंड इट्स बैलेंस की.
Just hold on.
Yeah, there's a little.
Okay, they are practicing.
Yeah, there's doing a play. I
So
can see.
Tagore Theatre is the place where they will all jam and play
Yeah.
and practice.
No, this is amazing.
Huh.
I like this reminds me of my college days.
Okay,
Yeah.
did a lot of theatre then.
लॉर्ड, हम तो घर ही नहीं जाते थे. हम लोग बैठे रहते थे इसी तरह पूरा दिन. कॉलेज 12 बजे तक, 11 बजे तक मोस्टली सारे लेक्चर्स would get over, but we'd stay back till evening practice for these plays and drama society. Yeah, I think it's college years are so foundational for any artist कि वहाँ आपको actually platform मिलता है दिखाने के लिए.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And वो आप बेबाक दिखाते हो.
बेबाक दिखाते हो.
बिल्कुल.
I
मतलब
love
you
this
don't
word.
have anything to lose क्योंकि घर में पड़ा है खाना सब कुछ, everybody is paying for
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So you are free. Going back to Dreamy Days,
Yes.
6 months, how were they? The Bandish Bandits release.
Yeah.
And सबको लगा कि यार who is this? Like we were discussing yesterday. Mahi was the catalyst. He joined two words and you were like this rebellious rock star in this
Yeah.
series. You know, because एक classical है, एक properly western है. And
Right.
बीच में you are the, you know, the common denominator who's bringing two worlds together.
Yeah.
Unconsciously.
Unconsciously. Yeah.
You are not consciously bringing them
Yeah,
together. You
yeah.
are just there. So, has Mahi, how has he changed your life? क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि पारेश काम पहले नहीं कर रहा
Correct.
था. पारेश ने बहुत काम किया.
Correct.
So let's know a little bit about Paresh, his work, and then we come to the build up to Mahi.
बिल्कुल. My journey started with टाइगर जिंदा है. वो मेरी पहली फीचर फिल्म थी. उसके पहले मैंने थिएटर एड्स वगैरह सब करे हुए थे, बट टाइगर वाज द फर्स्ट बिग ब्रेक विद यशराज, विद सलमान सर. तो उससे एक पुश मिला, उससे आगे का और भी काफी काम मिला. तांडव, जोगी, कड़क सिंह, ऑपरेशन वैलेंटाइन.
Pankaj Tripathi, your
Pankaj
guru.
Tripathi is one of my most amazing mentors. But none of these parts, I don't know, now that I think in retrospect, they might have led me to this, entire thing that I'm enjoying now. पर वो वैसा नहीं था कि वो आपको connect कर दें सबके साथ. There are certain parts that really resonate with the audience and the sentiment of a country at a particular point. और वो मुझे लगता है luck है. That's a lot of luck कि
Okay.
ऐसा रोल लिखा जाना और
माही वाला.
और वो आपको ही मिलना out of everybody. They could have chosen anybody in the whole world, but they chose me, and it just worked out really well for me.
So all these years, have the parts come to you or have you gone to the parts?
I mean, it's not been an easy journey.
When did it start? मतलब
2015.
and उससे पहले?
उसके पहले तो मैं नौकरी कर रहा था. उसके पहले तो मैं बॉम्बे आया था नौकरी करने, पढ़ाई करने में. So
You're from Gujarat?
I'm from Gujarat.
Ahmedabad.
I did my graduation in Gujarat. फिर मैं मुंबई आया, मैंने पढ़ाई करी, post graduation in public relations and advertising. I'm a media student, and then I got a job in one agency, in another agency. So मेरा वही था कि मुझे लगा यही होती है लाइफ की.
Copywriting.
कॉपीराइटिंग करनी थी, पर पैसे बहुत कम मिल रहे थे उसमें.
राइटर को पैसे नहीं मिलते. राइटर को कहीं पैसे नहीं मिलते.
मुझे
राइटर अभी भी झोला छाप है.
पर वही मुझे दो ऑफर्स थे मेरे पास. एक कॉपीराइटिंग का था जिसमें मुझे 8,000 रुपए सिर्फ स्टाइपेंड मिल रहा था, और दूसरी मुझे क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग की नौकरी थी जिसमें 14,000 रुपए सैलरी मिल रही थी. मैंने कहा यार 8,000 में तो बॉम्बे में रह नहीं पाऊंगा मैं. 14,000 में
सर्विसिंग इज अ वेरी
different. It has nothing to do with.
such an abused word.
So मैंने कहा कि यार ठीक है, 14,000 में एटलीस्ट रेंट वेंट खाना वाना निकाल के जो भी हुआ, I can survive for some more
Very
time.
difficult.
Very difficult. पर वो भी था कि थोड़ा टाइम करूंगा ये यहाँ पे, then I will find a job maybe somewhere else where the cost of living is not so high, and I can probably move back to Ahmedabad or somewhere else. पर वो ऐसा है कि ये ऐसा शहर है ना बॉम्बे की, if it you don't choose to go there, you don't choose to live there. If the city wants you, it will not let you go. मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी शुरुआत वाले दिनों में कि नहीं मैं कहीं और जॉब देख लूँ कहीं, and I was applying also कि कहीं और better salary मिले, cost of living कम हो. सवाल ही नहीं. None of those applications were accepted. None of the companies responded, and I was getting better offers here in Bombay. And
You stayed.
I stayed, and then one thing led to another. मैंने घर शिफ्ट किया, जिनके साथ मैं रहने गया वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम करते थे, वो लोग कास्टिंग में काम करते थे. So that's how one of my flatmates gave me my first ad.
Which was?
Which was for a telecom brand. I'm standing, but that's like a secondary part. I'm standing in the background. I'm playing the guitar, and but just the feeling of being on set was everything for me. I'm like, I can do this for rest of my life. Yeah.
That's how it began, and auditions and the whole
Yeah,
chapter
yeah.
of doing
Yeah.
it. I heard you also worked in a call center.
Oh yeah, that's what that was in Ahmedabad.
How was it?
It
Call
was
center
very
वालों को
good.
बहुत गालियां पड़ती है.
बहुत गालियां पड़ी, बहुत गालियां पड़ी, वो भी अंग्रेजों से. क्योंकि
अच्छा.
हमारा वो था कि मेरा नाइट शिफ्ट होता था, हम लोग यूएस में कॉल करते थे.
हाँ.
It was BPO तो करते थे, और हम अपने इंडियन एक्सेंट में उनको बोलते थे कि हाय दिस इज
Oh, they hate that.
हाय दिस इज जॉन कॉलिंग, एंड व्हाई यस
Not John. Raghunath. Don't be John.
Don't be John. But that taught me a lot about life and about sales.
But you were already acting then, है ना? That thing has
I was already
kicked in. You were already
Yeah.
you were like an imposter on the phone.
We were lying. I was not John. I was Paresh. But yeah.
So then, okay, Bombay and modeling assignments and all these films came to you. And, when Bandish Bandits came, or when you were like, okay, this show is happening, music है, you were already doing voice notes.
Yeah.
तो ये music मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है?
Right.
कुछ ऐसा दिमाग में आया था कि यार
While
म्यूजिकल
doing-
शो है,
हाँ.
तो म्यूजिक में तो मुझे भी होना चाहिए.
That was always like हर एक एक्टर का ना एक जोन होता है कि भाई मुझे ये जोन में अगर फिल्में मिलेंगी या शोज मिलेंगे तो I would absolutely love to be a part of it. For me, it's always in musicals, anything related to music. और यहाँ इतने बन नहीं रहे थे.
But the films that you did were very non-musical.
या पर वो तो चॉइस नहीं थी ना तभी. तो चॉइस नहीं थी, वो तो ऑडिशन दिया आपने, जो मिला बस. वैसा नहीं था कि मेरे
Musicals
पास.
तो फिर करण जौहर यूनिवर्स,
Yeah.
Yash Chopra universe, even Imtiaz Ali universe is a musical.
Yeah. I want to be a part of all of that, from Dharma to Yash Raj to Imtiaz Ali. पर कोई nice shoes.
I wore it because I wanted to show it to you.
This is Banjaran.
This is theatre.
Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, I love quirky shoes.
It's just divine timing. And with everything, like in everybody's career that you see, Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan, there is that one role which kind of just connects them with people.
हाँ, that's a breakthrough role.
Yeah, that's a
वो
breakthrough.
epiphanous moment होता है एक सबका.
हाँ. तो मेरे लिए a glimpse of it I saw through Mahi. कि वो जो connection है, जो breakthrough वाला है, that I felt through Mahi, and I still feel it's just the beginning. There's a lot more to explore and a lot harder to work on a lot of
But
things.
there was a lot of hard work involved in creating this character Mahi.
Yeah.
See, one is that a writer writes, and one is a director's vision.
Mm.
You absorb these two. What element did you bring to it?
Yeah.
एक actor's interpretation होती है.
हाँ. My I think एक्टर को कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है अगर एक राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी हो और डायरेक्शन बहुत अच्छा हो. Like cinema is a very director writer medium, right? I got very lucky on that department. First of all, the writing was so solid, and secondly, I just had to make sure, and Anand sir also said, that the sitar should be an extended limb. It should be a part of your body. It should not feel like you are playing something external, but it needs to be such an ingrained part of who you are. That's how, like, musicians.
You're one with it.
You're one with it. जब जो इतने सालों साल जो रियाज करते हैं, in any form of music or any instrument, they just become one with it. तो वही ब्रीफ थी मेरे लिए एज एन एक्टर. बाकी उसके अलावा की जो भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था माही का और जो भी उसका मुद्दा था, that I wanted to just do the way Anand sir and the writers wanted me to. उसमें मैंने honestly I'm not going to take any credit.
You sing and you strum the guitar. First of all, are you trained in singing and the guitar strumming? And second, then how was it, handling a very intimidating and imposing instrument like sitar?
Yeah.
Because sitar comes with its own lineage, its own history, its own parampara.
Yeah, absolutely. Legacy.
So,
yeah.
आपके सामने इतना बड़ा वो रख दिया,
बिल्कुल.
तो फिर थोड़ा लगता भी है कि यार इसका मैं क्या करूं.
और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है बहुत बड़ी. हाँ,
वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आपको उतनी इज्जत भी उसको बख्शनी है.
बिल्कुल.
तो पहले आपका म्यूजिक का कब शुरू हुआ, दैट रुझान, एंड हाउ डिड यू फॉल इन लव विद म्यूजिक, एंड देन पिकिंग अप अ सितार नाउ?
My music journey actually began much earlier. बचपन से ही actually I would say कि मैंने ये पहले भी बताया है, but I still love sharing this कि मेरे जो भी relatives होते थे मैं उनको बोलता था मेरे को कैसेट गिफ्ट करो.
अच्छा.
हाँ, बर्थडे पे या कभी भी कुछ भी हो, either gift me like a ढोल or a little keyboard or something, either an instrument or gift me a cassette. Because I used to love music. There was not a single moment where I was not singing or,
humming to a tune and
playing
Walkman on and everything.
all the time.
But
all the time.
Who was the greatest influence in your household? किसी को तो आपने किसी से तो absorb किया होगा ये genetic code, love for music.
This love, I think, was in everybody. I spent a lot of childhood with my nana nani. So मेरे नाना गाते रहते थे काफी.
Okay.
तो उनके पास बांसुरी भी होती थी, वो बांसुरी बजाते थे और वो बहुत पुराने मुकेश जी के गाने गाते थे.
Oh,
and used to sound beautiful. Yeah, it used to sound beautiful. तो उनको सुनता था मैं and used to be in love with his radio all the time. तो उसमें अगर एक तार या कुछ भी हुआ तो वो खुद स्क्रू ड्राइवर लेके उसको खोल के खुद सुलझाते थे एकदम. Very cinematic moments. और तो एक तो उनको देखा था मैंने, उनकी जो शिद्दत और फिडेलिटी थी म्यूजिक की ओर. The other was my mom. My mom, like there was never a time, even now when you go to my place in Ahmedabad, YouTube पे गाने चलते रहते हैं. और बचपन में हमारे अहमदाबाद में एक लोकल केबल होता था, सिटी केबल करके.
हमारे भी सिटी केबल.
Oh, you have a सिटी केबल? Yeah. तो वहाँ पे गाने आते थे बहुत सारे. पूरा दिन बैक टू बैक चलते रहते थे.
There was this age, 90s, independent music was beautiful.
Yeah,
Shan and Sunita Rao and Sukhbir and there was so many independent. Alisha Chennai. Everybody was so phenomenal. इनके videos भी हम देखते थे.
बहुत सुंदर videos.
And I was like, अब है नहीं वैसा. अब आपको लगता है that those videos and those songs are timeless.
Correct.
अभी भी वो बजाओ तन्हा दिल शान का is still a hit.
And they used to like
Made in India, Alisha Chennai.
Yeah.
And they also, gave birth to this whole breed of models who were drop dead gorgeous.
Yeah.
Milind Soman and Arjun Rampal, they all came during that time.
Absolutely. And I'm very inspired by that because even when I make a music video, I don't just shoot a music video in a studio where it's just, dance happening. Those are also great. But I'm inspired by the 90s era where music videos used to have a story.
Yes.
And they were very elaborate. And I love that elaborate storytelling. मायरी का म्यूजिक वीडियो देख लो आप, या A.R. रहमान का वंदे मातरम माँ तुझे सलाम का म्यूजिक वीडियो, he shot it all over India.
Yes.
So I feel, music videos deserve that kind of respect and
Yes.
love. But as because people don't consume music videos on television probably as much.
It's
So-
on the smartphone, so
on
you're
the
just
smartphone.
listening to the
Yeah.
sound rather than the image.
Yeah, but I like to make sure that the sound and visual go hand in hand. हाँ, थोड़ा old school है मेरा उस मामले में, but it gives me a lot of joy and satisfaction.
And so this musical journey kept going on. So Voice Notes began in 2015. But you had come to Bombay by that time, right? You were working and everything. So Voice Notes, what was the starting point of Voice Notes? And why Voice Notes?
Why voice notes? Yes, I'll tell you. 2024, last year, things were not great on the acting front because a lot of films and shows were not working. People were figuring out कि क्या बनाना है, क्या नहीं बनाना है. So actors had to wait a lot. Me and a lot of my other friends were just waiting for the right projects to come. और and you're like, यार wait तो नहीं कर सकते कब तक, you can't just wait for the right things to come to you in life. And I always believe creation energy is better than waiting energy.
Yeah.
So every time there's a little waiting phase in my life, even it's for a day or an hour or two, I like to create something, and it could be anything. So I just called up a few musicians who are actually from Bandish Bandits. So जो musicians आप आज देखोगे
जो
जो मेरे
group में
साथ
आपके साथ होते हैं, okay.
जो बजा रहे हैं मेरे साथ पीछे, they are real musicians who I met on the sets of Bandish Bandits.
Oh, nice.
And I called them over one day. I said, यार ऐसा कुछ, just want to come and jam with me.
उससे
for a
पहले
day."
you were not jamming, you were not doing anything.
No. उसके पहले I was only
Just acting.
acting. Yeah.
And COVID must have been difficult then at that time.
Yeah, COVID actually kind of nudged me into acting direction a little more because guitar पड़ा हुआ था, देख रहा था मेरी और piano रखा हुआ था. They were just staring at me. They're like, भाई बजा ले.
So a lot of creativity happened then.
Yeah.
But you never recorded it. Like you never recorded it for public consumption.
No, I mean I did. I released a bunch of independent songs, about 8-9 songs, but they were not getting a lot of attention because it was a very crowded independent music market because everybody's releasing, like there are like 100,000 songs uploaded every day on
Yes.
Spotify.
So how do you, in that din, how do you make your voice stand out?
I think the only way to make yourself and your voice stand out is to be as truthful to your taste as possible. Because there will be many voices, they'll come and tell you कि भाई ये ऐसा नहीं है, इसमें ये work नहीं कर रहा. People will get bored if you have a longer introduction of the song. 15 सेकंड में chorus आ जाना चाहिए, 20 सेकंड में ये आ जाना चाहिए. So I don't like to subscribe to any of those conventions where people say कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ये होगा. Any fear-inducing ideas कि oh audience might not like it because you doing this with your song or this sound they may not like. My theory is that the only thing we have as an artist is our taste, our story, and that we have to share the way we feel is the most true and authentic. And it may not connect instantly. People might not have patience to listen to that piece of work, but later on, at some point, it will connect.
And then when you reached out to the band in Bandits, so when you started jamming, it started metamorphing into something.
Oh yeah. We just jammed. There they are, all there. They are already working on the sound check. I just love looking at them. I love such a beautiful feeling, looking at this. You think of something in your room, you write something on your journal, and now you have 100 people working on that with the same conviction, with the same love, and sharing it with you, and 1,000 people coming to experience that. It's such a beautiful feeling, and it again reinforces the belief and the question that you asked of not feeling powerless in your life ever. As an artist, we kind of tend to sometimes victimize ourselves कि अरे we don't have things in our control and we are waiting for this, we are waiting for that. ये हमको opportunity नहीं दे रहे क्योंकि हम यहाँ से नहीं हैं and all of that. I feel you just need a good bunch of friends in life and just make something and go and do it.
So the concept of voice notes is very interesting.
Yeah,
You mix a lot of poetry
yeah.
with the music, and आपका एक बहुत कैजुअल ड्राइंग रूम सेटिंग है,
Hmm.
सोफा है, आप आराम से कैजुअल बैठते हो कि स्पैनिश बहुजा एंड फ्रेंड्स. हाउ डिड दिस आइडिया कम कि लेट्स मेक इट वेरी कैजुअल,
Yeah.
लेट्स मेक इट वेरी कॉन्वर्सेशनल? Because that's a very that does it's not a concert, it's not a performance, it's
Yeah.
somewhere in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle, yeah.
So how did that idea come? Was it your own
It was-
thing, or was it मतलब सबके साथ मिलके ये बात हुई कि चलो
नहीं, it
जैसे
was-
हम बैठे हैं वैसे ही एक जुगलबंदी चलती है?
बस वैसे ही था कि हम जैम मेरे घर पे करते थे रोज, और उसके पहले भी जैम करते थे. मतलब इफ यू आर अ म्यूजिशियन एंड यू हैव फ्रेंड्स कमिंग ओवर, तो वो गिटार रखा होता है तो कोई ना कोई इवेंचुअली उठा के उसको पे बजाता है, एंड देन इट जस्ट बिकम्स अ 2 hour काइंड ऑफ अ सेशन के कोई किसी ने ये गाना गा लिया, फिर यहाँ से कोई ये गा रहा है, फिर यहाँ से ये गा रहा है, और ऐसे करके वो जो एक घर के अंदर एनर्जी बनती है ना, आई लव दैट. आई एम लाइक ये जो ईज और कंफर्ट के साथ नोबडी इज वरीड अबाउट एनीथिंग, अबाउट परफॉर्मेंस और प्रेशर और एनीथिंग. आई लव दैट ईज, एंड आई एम लाइक if a huge chunk of audience can become a part of this, won't that be nice? And then we just started working on the art ideas, and we were thinking of doing all possible concert related stage setup and all of it. And then nothing was making sense until I called a friend of mine and I said, "Yeah, is it possible to recreate this living room on stage?" And he said, हाँ बिल्कुल भाई, यही करते हैं. बोले रिक्रिएट क्या, यही ले चलते हैं, आप ही का सोफा ले चलते हैं. तो मेरा सोफा है, मेरा लैम्प शेड है, पौधा भी आया है घर से.
अच्छा, तो you carry सारा
Yeah,
साथ
my
में.
footstool. It's actually the setup that you see on stage is from my living room.
Okay.
And initially it was out of मजबूरी कि बजट नहीं था हमारे पास. But now it's kind of become a superstition कि उसमें एनर्जी है, उस पे लोग बैठे हैं, उस पे बातें हुई हैं, उस पे हमने बहुत सारी रातें बिताई हैं हंस के, वल्नरेबल होके, इमोशनल होके. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन माय हाउस कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड करंट एंड इमोशन, एंड वी वांट दैट experience to actually connect with people.
So और कौन सी superstitions है, like
बहुत हैं.
is there a particular T-shirt that you wear? You wear
Magic button is a big superstition.
And you wear those shoes also every
Yeah,
time.
yeah. I
Banjara
wear the
के.
shoes.
Okay.
I wear the
And you wear a particular kind of trousers also. They are little
Yeah.
flared, है ना?
yeah.
You have that
Wow,
look.
You have great observation.
Yes.
वो सब मतलब वो सारी superstitions सारे नहीं है, मतलब इतने सारे नहीं है.
You're not carrying the sitar, the lucky sitar जो बंदिश bandits की है.
Not yet. That's a great idea. I should.
One with your. So I was reading about it, and also in your interviews you mentioned how your Guru Prasad ji taught
Yeah.
you the sitar. So what was the lesson that you got from him? Because music is your self-taught.
Yeah.
जो भी आप लिखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, गाते हैं, self-taught.
Yeah.
How was it at this age to get a guru? Because
Yeah.
आते पक जाती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो गुरु को सिर पे बिठाना and उससे सितार सीखना, तो what were the challenges there?
It was actually it was so important for me, Bandish, like not only for me as an actor or an artist was important, but also as the lesson of having a guru in your life is so important. Like पहले मैं काम चल रहा था मेरा कि म्यूजिक सीख रहा हूँ मैं, गिटार यूट्यूब से सीख रहा हूँ मैं, ये यहाँ से सीख रहा हूँ मैं, पर एक गुरु के आने से जो आपको मार्गदर्शन मिल जाता है लाइफ में, वो इतना जरूरी है. Because after Bandish, I actually now have 2 gurus for my singing also. I have Vasundhara ma'am, Vasundhara V, who's teaching me Western vocals. I have Akshat sir, who's teaching me Indian vocals.
Okay.
और उनके आने से इतना streamline हो गया है सब कुछ, तो गुरु बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ.
So is it music now for you कि acting? Because acting में there is
Both.
Anand Tiwari is the director, there's Pankaj Tripathi with whom you
Yeah.
did Kadak Singh.
Yeah.
तो दोनों चल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So you've got so many gurus now.
Yeah, I love gurus.
And what is coming up in the acting front?
Acting front, I just signed a film with one of my favorite production houses.
Which is?
I'm not sure if I can. I mean, yeah, I can tell the production.
Yeah, you can tell the production house.
I signed a film with Dharma Productions.
Oh.
Yeah.
को किसका नहीं है फेवरेट? सबको धर्मा में जाना है.
Dharma was a dream again. Dharma was a dream. This
Okay.
is the year of all the dreams coming true and manifestations. Is
So जो आपने जर्नल में लिखा while you were journaling,
सब हो रहा वो.
so you're a true believer. मतलब you're like Paulo Coelho, you are just
I'm a believer.
the writer.
yeah.
You're a believer.
I'm a
Manifest and हो जाएगा.
हाँ मुझे लगता है कि if you want to believe in anything, then might as well believe in a good thing. अगर कोई बिलीफ पालनी है, क्योंकि आपका माइंड तो कोई ना कोई बिलीफ वैसे भी पालने वाला है, तो कोई नेगेटिव बिलीफ अपने आप आपको आसपास के लोग कुछ प्रोग्राम करें उससे पहले तो आप खुद ही अपने आप को प्रोग्राम कर लीजिए.
Okay, so that is good, that you
हाँ.
already you've changed the algorithm of your
Yeah,
whole existence.
हाँ, मैंने मैट्रिक्स क्रैक कर लिया.
तो अब Lord Curzon की हवेली, which is a
Lord Curzon,
Hitchcockian mystery that's coming
Yeah,
up,
yeah, yeah.
and 13th. What
And
is 13th?
13th is a show about the unlucky ones. 13th जो
अच्छा, वो
number
जो
है,
drop year होता है,
drop year होता है. Yeah, drop year, and also number 13 is in
नहीं,
some.
in Punjab no, 13 13 13.
Oh,
In
13,
Sikhism
13,
it is
13.
सब 13
सब
13
13.
13 13. It is
सब
not
13,
unlucky.
13. नहीं, बट कहीं कहीं दुनिया में ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे देशों में जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ उनके होटल में 13th फ्लोर ही नहीं होता.
हाँ, ये सेक्टर 13 नहीं है हमारे चंडीगढ़ में.
हाँ. सो वो क्योंकि उसको कहीं ना कहीं किसी सुपरस्टिशन में उनको माना जाता है कि इट्स नॉट अ लकी नंबर. सिमिलरली जो 13th जो ड्रॉप ईयर होता है 12th के बाद वो भी इट्स आल्सो कंसीडर्ड कि
हाँ, it's for a lot of children it's a setback.
yeah, so it's a journey of
क्योंकि कोई ना कोई आंटी की कुछ पता है, कौन सा करियर भैया, क्या पढ़ रहे हो बच्चे?
yeah वही है.
है.
So that's a story of a mentor and a mentee, a student and a teacher, Guru and Shishya, where Gagan Dev Riyar is playing my teacher, I'm a student, and the roles also reverse at some point.
Gagan Dev Riyar was in Scam.
He was the Telgi.
Yeah, the
in Scam.
Telgi
Yeah,
Scam was very
yeah.
good, phenomenal.
So
It was
yeah.
great. This that you have that yellow, what do you call that, card holder?
I love your research. I love it.
उसपे टिक हो गया काफी.
काफी कुछ टिक हो गया. काफी कुछ हो गया, पर काफी कुछ बाकी भी है.
जो क्या रहता है?
जो एक इम्तियाज अली रहमान सर म्यूजिकल, करण जौहर डायरेक्टोरियल, राजू हिरानी, जोया अख्तर,
जोया अख्तर
वर्ल्ड टूर, बहुत सपने हैं, सब करना है.
So yeah, Imtiaz Ali, Zoya Akhtar, Raju Irani, so Paresh is manifesting, working with all of you.
Please सुन लो.
Farhan Akhtar and anybody in the south of India.
Oh, I would love to. Rajamouli sir.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely love to work with him.
And music front, because you're a Diljit fan.
I'm a Diljit fan. I'm a fan of so many people. I'm a true fan. Like I don't miss a single concert. जो भी concerts होते हैं जहाँ भी मैं होता हूँ, बॉम्बे, wherever, whichever city I am. Coldplay का concert देखने भी चला गया था मैं.
कैसा रहा?
बहुत सही था, बहुत ही सही था.
And आपको अभी भी auditions करने पड़ते हैं? Like what is this? कि you want to reach that level के परेश है, कोई audition की जरूरत नहीं, आ जाओ रोल पे.
I mean that level is nice. It's the kind of confidence directors have in you कि भाई we know you'll pull it off, and it's also the confidence producers have कि भाई आपको देखने लोग आएंगे. I'm still getting there. I'm not there yet. I still have to audition once in a while, and I don't mind that. I love auditioning. I feel जो भी आपको ले रहा है, they should all feel satisfied कि भाई इसको लिया है. कल जाके उनके मन में कोई 1% का भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए कि अरे इसको ले लिया but he's not delivering. So I'm very okay कि आप तसल्ली कर लो अच्छे से. आप लुक टेस्ट करो, ऑडिशन करो, दाढ़ी में देखो, बिना दाढ़ी के देखो, बालों के साथ देखो, हेयर कट करवा के देखो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आई एम वेरी ओके विद.
तो स्टाइलिंग एंड स्टाइलिस्ट साथ साथ चलता रहता है.
सब एनीथिंग. आई एम ओके विद व्हाटएवर प्रोसेस दे वांट टू पुट मी थ्रू. I'm very happy to be.
So you were a student of media and journalism and public relations. How has that helped you? Because yesterday you did a whole meet and greet. Today we are sitting here and everything. So how has that part of education helped you in image building? Like even Diljit, he's built an image.
Yeah.
How is that important for a performer, for an actor, for a person of creative streaks? क्योंकि कई बार creative बंदा होता है ना, वो अलग रहना पसंद करता है.
बिल्कुल.
But इसमें ये image building का how much role does it play and how have you employed it?
Yeah. I would not call say image building. From whatever my learning has been about media and public relations is ki the word relation is very important. That is one, and that relation, first of all, you have to have a good relation with yourself and people around you, and then only it will translate. Like, I can't fake and pretend with you in front of you and go back and be somebody else. And I've unlearned everything that I've learned about public relations and media and all of that, because at the end of the day, it is your authenticity, it is who you are, what you believe in. Otherwise, it will all feel generic. You don't have to try and ape anybody else. Just feel right at home wherever you are, and I love that. I just love that. I love connecting.
Okay. Finally, जिस तरह पंकज त्रिपाठी ने कहा था, आप चर्चित रहना चाहते हैं कि यादगार रहना चाहते हैं?
मुझे मजा करना है एक्चुअली, बताऊं सच में तो चर्चित यादगार ये दोनों ही चीजें जो हैं वो प्रेशर के साथ आती हैं कि यू नो इट सडनली हैज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द चॉइसेस यू आर मेकिंग कि ये करूंगा तो ये होगा, ये करूंगा तो ये. I don't want to take any kind of pressure. I want to value life as it is, be grateful, not take smaller things for granted. Like, मम्मी कॉल कर रही है तो वो उठाओ, उसको साइलेंट करके बाद में कर लूंगा, पहले ये कर लेता हूँ. या दोस्त का बर्थडे है तो नहीं जाऊंगा तो चलेगा. I am prioritizing that right now. I think once your personal space of mind is in place, it's clear. Everything just flourishes. So
work is one for kitchen, one for soul. Matlab,
yeah,
it is working. Team is being paid.
Yeah, everything.
Work is coming in.
Yeah. Very, very happy with the way things are shaping up.
Chalo, that's great. Thanks, Paresh. Thanks for having being on the
Justine.
show with us today.
Thank you.
Really had marvelous time conversing with you. Next time you're here, probably we'll have a lengthier, longer conversation.
We can go around and you can take me to some like eating places next time.
Oh, definitely.
I would love
Good
that.
ones, not the ones which they keep advertising. There are other better hidden spots.
Done. I would love some hidden spots.
And that's all from Just Talking. And I hope you enjoyed the interview. This is Paresh Pahuja and Just Kiran signing off. Please do like and subscribe whenever you have the time. But please do watch the interview. And
Please.
catch Paresh's show also if he's in your town.
Thank you. Just talking. Please like, subscribe and share.
Thank you.